Hi. Hello everyone. Today we are making a birthday cake and lemon squares for my dad because today is his
birthday. Yeah.
So we already greased the pan, which means you rub butter against the bottom so it doesn't it's easy to slip out.
That's right, girly.
And now I think we're gonna get out the powder.
Get your eggs.
And also we're gonna have to get our eggs. So be right back.
Good. And one egg and cauliflower.
Okay, Isaac. We take one egg and put it.
I haven't actually practiced part for you.
Then we're gonna open them.
Here, give me another.
And can I crack it open?
Sure.
I'm gonna do this one.
Okay, Bubs, you gotta wait.
3, 2, 1. It's all right. Just a minor detail.
Bubba, come here. Wash your hands off.
Minor detail.
I got the wrong one.
Baby. Mom, get it? Okay. Now we got that in. Now we're just gonna have to take a short break and wash our hands. Be right back.
I'm gonna toot.
Don't on camera. It's gonna be so bad. Okay. Now we got 1 cup of milk. Now we're gonna need. Who knows?
Read.
It says nothing else.
What's that?
Oh yes, we're gonna need half a cup of vegetable oil or butter melted. So we might use this melted butter as our secret here.
Hey, Bubba, you run this while Lina. Hold on, Lina.
I'm gonna do it.
This while you pour in the butter.
3. Isaac, you're gonna need room for me, buddy. Now Isaac, I hope does not turn it up too high. Right?
I am.
Good job, Isaac. Here, let me help you support it. Okay, and now we're gonna pour in the flour, the best butter. Dried ingredients with the wet ingredients. Explosive.
All right, Lina. Here.
Thank you. It's alright. Just a little mishap. Didn't mean that. Wasn't expecting. Move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. She like to move it. We like to move it. Oh, blah blah blah.
All right,
Blah,
now you're
blah,
gonna
blah,
pour it into the pan.
And now we are going to pour it into
Would you
the
like
pan.
my help, or
Mom.
do you got it?
I can do it
Where do I
myself.
put this? Okay. I'll pour it and you scrape it.
Come closer, Lina. This way.
That's yummy.
Isaac just likes to play on camera, so do I. I mean, don't we all? Why not? Okay. Wait. I could literally spell my name in it. Good job. Signing off. We'll be back in who knows when.
Ew.
Love ya.